Welcome back to the Microsoft Foundry Masterclass. So, in video number one, we talk about the technology pivot from cloud to factory. But a factory is useless without workers and a management structure, right? Today, we are talking about the organizational blueprint. How do you structure your company to be a frontier firm? To understand where are we going, we have to look at the three phases of AI adoption. Phase one is assisted. This is where most of you are. You have Copilot for M365. You talk to a bot, it summarizes an email, it's passive. Phase two is augmented. This is RAG. You bring your own data. The bot is smarter, but it still waits for you to prompt it. Phase 3 is operated. This is the goal. This is where Microsoft Foundry shines. In this phase, the agent has autonomy. It wakes up, checks a database, notices an anomaly, and sends an alert, all without you asking anything. This is the shift from chatbot to colleague. So, what is a frontier firm? It's an organization that embraces phase 3. It's a culture where AI is human-led but agent-operated. In a frontier firm, agents are asynchronous. They don't just reply to chat bubbles. They run background jobs. Permission. They have a digital ID, an entry ID, just like you do. Outcome-based. We don't judge them by latency. We judge them by, did you file the invoice correctly? You cannot build this with your existing IT helpdesk structure. You need a new team, an agent ops. At the top, you have the CAIO setting the risk policy. You have the architect or developer building the code. But here is the most important new role, the teacher. The teacher is not a coder. They are subject matter experts, the senior accountant, the HR director. Their job is to review the agent's work, grade its Foundry evals, and curate the knowledge base. In Microsoft Foundry, the teacher uses the portal to improve the agent, while the architect uses VS Code to build the skeleton. So, we have the strategy and now we have the team. It's time to get technical. In the next video, we are going to open the Azure portal. We are going to look at the architecture breakdown of a Foundry, the networking, and the JSON that powers it all. Get your PCs ready. See you in video number 3.